When it comes to improving the comfort and energy efficiency of your home, one of the most impactful upgrades you can make is replacing your windows. EcoView Windows of Winter Haven is a trusted name in window solutions, offering energy-efficient windows that not only enhance the aesthetic of your home but also contribute to long-term savings and sustainability. If you're looking to reduce your utility bills and make your home more eco-friendly, here's how EcoView Windows can help. Energy efficiency benefits of EcoView Windows. EcoView windows are designed with advanced technology that significantly reduces energy consumption, providing a comfortable indoor climate year-round. Whether it's the summer heat or winter chill, these windows help maintain consistent indoor temperatures by reducing heat transfer. One of the key features of EcoView windows is their high-performance glass. Their windows use low emissivity, low-E, glass coatings that reflect infrared light, preventing heat from entering in the summer and retaining heat in the winter. This ensures that your HVAC system doesn't have to work overtime to maintain the perfect temperature. By reducing the need for excessive heating and cooling, EcoView windows help to lower your monthly energy bills. Superior insulation for year-round comfort. EcoView windows are also built with superior insulation properties. The windows are designed with multi-chambered frames that trap air within, creating a barrier that improves insulation. This is especially important for homes in climates that experience both hot summers and cold winters, like those in Winter Haven, Florida. With the added insulation, your home will maintain a more consistent indoor temperature throughout the year. The result is not just lower energy bills, but also increased comfort as your home stays warmer in the winter and cooler in the summer without excessive use of your HVAC system. Sound reduction for a peaceful home. In addition to improving energy efficiency, EcoView windows provide superior soundproofing. The multi-layered glass and tightly sealed frames reduce the transmission of outdoor noise, creating a quieter, more peaceful living environment. This is particularly beneficial for homes located near busy streets or noisy neighborhoods, where external noise can be a constant disturbance. By enhancing your home's soundproofing capabilities, EcoView windows help create a serene sanctuary where you can relax without the intrusion of outside noise. This feature is especially appreciated by homeowners who work from home, parents with young children, or anyone who values a quieter, more tranquil space. Durability and long-term saving. Another significant advantage of EcoView windows is their durability. Made from high-quality materials, these windows are built to last, resisting wear and tear over time. Their energy-efficient design means that you won't need to replace them frequently, leading to long-term savings. This is a crucial factor to consider when investing in home improvements, as the durability of your windows translates into fewer maintenance costs and more significant returns on your investment. The low-maintenance nature of EcoView windows is another plus. Unlike traditional windows that may require regular upkeep or repainting, EcoView windows are designed to resist fading, cracking, and discoloration. The strong, weather-resistant materials used in their construction ensure that your windows continue to look great for years to come, without the need for constant maintenance. Environmentally friendly. The EcoView windows not only benefit homeowners financially but also have a positive impact on the environment. By improving energy efficiency, these windows help to reduce your home's carbon footprint. Using less energy means fewer greenhouse gas emissions, which is an essential step in the fight against climate change. Additionally, EcoView windows are made with environmentally friendly materials, which further contributes to sustainability. If you're concerned about reducing your environmental impact, investing in EcoView windows is a smart decision. You can enjoy all the benefits of a more energy-efficient, comfortable home while also playing your part in protecting the planet. Conclusion: EcoView windows of Winter Haven offer a comprehensive solution to improving your home's energy efficiency. With advanced technology, superior insulation, noise reduction, and long-term durability, these windows provide both comfort and savings. Not only will you enjoy lower energy bills, but you'll also enhance your home's value and contribute to a more sustainable future. If you're looking for a smart investment that will pay off for years to come, EcoView windows is the way to go. Make the switch today and experience the difference in energy efficiency, comfort, and environmental impact.